You've done a lot of cinema, mashallah, in
Yes.
Pakistan, and successful cinema. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि ये आपका most ambitious project है so far? Maybe Superstar के बाद? Because
Wow,
that was a
okay.
really concrete role. वो
Yeah.
film was riding on your shoulders.
Yes.
Apollo Jad is not riding on your shoulders,
No.
but you are an integral part of it. और
Right.
लोगों को जो expectation है कि ओ हो भाई फवाद और मायरा इकट्ठे, वो आपको उसकी कोई है palpable feel है उसकी या नहीं
not
है?
at all.
नहीं
No.
क्यों?
I don't know. I don't think that this is a Fawad and Mahira sort of outing. You know, this is an ensemble cast. This is Fawad and Hamza, Umaima, Gohar.
Absolutely. हाँ है.
All of us coming together.
Yeah.
I don't feel any pressure as far as me and Fawad to coming together. No, I feel pressure just because of me, you know. It's like even if I'm in this role, which is, you know, however small or supporting it may be, I think that people will be like, either they'll be like, we wanted more of her, or it'll be like, but yeah, I mean, you know, so it'll always be like, this is not me, this is them. They have to carry this movie, and I think they will.
And you're a part of it, though.
I'm a part of it, and
Yeah.
I hope I've done my job well enough
Yeah.
for me to be that heartbeat,
Gee.
or for me to be that cola, you know,
He is Coca-Cola.
because that was required of me,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Mukho can't be at any point angry or sad.
हाँ.
Even when she's angry,
क्या है मुखो?
Mukho is, oh,
प्यार.
she is a bloody like little flirt. She's a flirt.
हाँ.
And she's just so obsessed with Mola, you know, like Mola Jat comes into the thing and wo jo maut ka kuआं hai, and where he fights, and she's just like, you know, so rooting for him all the time. She's also actually Mola's conscience.
Okay.
वो जो एक
That's
लाइन
very
है ना
interesting.
जी,
हाँ.
वो जो एक लाइन है जो ट्रेलर में है, जहाँ वो कहती है कि, you know, if I'm not going to say it because I will suck right now, but basically she's telling him that अगर तुम इन लोगों की जान चाहते हो और मेरी इज्जत चाहते हो, तो नूरी नु बोटी बोटी करके बाहर आओ.
बोटी बोटी करके बाहर आ.
She tells him, she's this close to him, and she says, then basically, and I love the way, you know, she's
मैं
just
इंतजार कर रही हूँ कि ये डायलॉग पंजाबी में आए जरा.
तो खैर नहीं, अभी नहीं आएगा, लेकिन वो कहती है कि
मैं चाह रही हूँ कि ऐसी गुफ्तगू सारी पंजाबी करिए.
तो
फिर.
आप किसी और को ले आए ना.
नहीं, आपने सुना मैंने कहा
Another thing Bilal said to me was,
पंजाबी नहीं बोल रहे आज.
man Mukho, he also calls me Mukho sometimes, you know, man Mukho, that dialogue you said in an interview, you know, it's like, it's really become a big hit. I was like, okay, so, but we didn't use it, you know, it's not even like, why did you, but then he was really happy. I was like, I hope you've not cut it out. Pata chala log, like, no. Yeah, so I'm not going to give another dialogue out. My director's not very happy. What? पक्की पक्की मशूका.
पक्की पक्की मशूका.
मैं हूँ ना पक्की पक्की.
हाँ.
बस.
ये है, लेकिन आपका और जो फवाद का जो इश्क मशूकी है, वो नीलोफर के लिए संभाल के रखी हुई है. मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है.
You know, so Mola Jat is very. I think they've also taken out a few things out of Mola Jat. But when I was shooting it, I was like, oh my God, is this a bit much, you know? There's a lot of, it's very raw.
Yeah.
The Ishq Mashuki is very raw. Neelafar is very pure.
Pure.
Very
raw and pure. We like the comparison.
Yeah.
We like the balance between.
Yeah, this is very like,
raw.
I shouldn't say dirty. I should, because that, no, I don't mean it
dirty
in
is not
that
a good
way.
word.
Yeah, that's not, what I mean is it's,
gritty.
yeah, it's muddy. Like, I'm not saying the right word, right? Yeah, this is
You're not going to have a mud fight with Mola.
No, but they are like they.
Mein
no, but it's a muddy. You know, it's like gaon ka. And that's something else.
मेरा पंजाबी सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था या शूट इतना लंबा जो था 1-2 साल तक होता रहा. पंजाबी was the biggest. हाँ.
Punjabi was my biggest challenge. Shooting for so long, and that's not a challenge for me. I do it. This is I do
And
films.
you
I do
were-
it on a regular
yeah,
basis.
yeah.
So it's something that I just.
And you were doing other stuff alongside. So you were
Yes.
busy constantly. You hadn't parked your career for Maula Jat.
No.
You were doing other things as well.
Absolutely. Yes.
और
Yes.
वो
yes.
चलती रही.
जी, बिल्कुल. I keep on working.
हाँ. पंजाबी थी और दूसरी चीज फवाद gained about 25 kilos for the role.
Yes.
You did not gain any weight.
Listen, I tried. I know you're gonna hate me for this, and you're
Yeah.
gonna say, "Oh well, you." I tried.
Yeah.
I really did. But also, Bilal was like, "It's okay. I don't want you to be that. Like, don't go crazy eating parathas and all of that, because somewhere, Fawad looking big,
Yeah.
and already for some reason, I don't know why, I look bigger on screen.
वो तो it makes you larger than life, of course.
Yeah, but some people don't look.
Okay,
I feel like,
okay.
oh well, my directors have told me I look taller and bigger.
हाँ.
So he liked the idea of this big Maula Jat with Mukho sort of a little bit, you know. He thought it would look really nice when he, you know, there's a,
Yeah.
you know.
You sent me a message when I said Myra's Punjabi is making me nervous, and you
Yeah.
said don't be nervous.
Yes.
I may have been nervous, but I also said I cannot imagine anybody other than you playing
Oh,
Mukho.
no, that's not true.
absolutely.
That's not
That
true.
is absolutely true. I would not have anybody else.
That's another thing. That's another thing. I think, I don't think, yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah, absolutely. There you go.
Yeah,
there you
yeah.
go.
I
We're
think
on the
that,
same page.
yeah, I think that, yes.
But
I'm gonna
Myra,
keep
good
it at
luck.
that.
And
Thank you.
I've seen bits of the film.
You
It
said you're
looks-
going to ask me some really tough questions, but you
No,
haven't.
These are the really tough questions. We'll ask you the tough questions after the film. वो भी तो वक्त आना है ना?
I watched your interview well in bits.
हाँ.
Um,
इसलिए कि ये cut short.
no,
Can I
it's
take
fine, it's fine,
a
it's fine.
couple more minutes?
No, you don't have to keep this in.
No,
I'm
no,
just
we
saying
do,
that
we do.
I watched this interview of hers with, well, a snippet of Fawad and Fawad talking about me and how his chemistry with me is.
Yeah.
And I messaged Fawad. I was like, is it really that we argue? Is that why the chemistry is good?
हाँ.
I was like, you could have said, I'm the greatest actor you've ever worked with.
Yeah.
I'm the biggest blessing in your life. I was like, what? I was like, let this question come to me.
What do you think? Why do you think you have sizzling chemistry with Fawad?
Because हम तो बहस करते हैं तो इसलिए chemistry
नहीं अब असली हकीकत क्या है?
नहीं नहीं यही हकीकत है.
अब जाहिर बात है उन्होंने कह दिया तो अब आपने भी वही बात करनी है. मगर असलियत क्या है?
This is it.
I think it's God given. It's God gifted यार. वो
You know,
दोबारा नहीं होता.
honestly, the truth is that we don't even know what it is. I do think we as actors bounce off each other.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
We're not trying.
You're not trying.
I think that's
absolutely.
it. I think that's
But
it.
I hope with Maula Jat, people will let go of Asher Hussain and Khairat and have a
They
new...
will.
They will.
They will. I
हाँ.
think so. But I
ये
have.
तो फवाद ने हमें बता दिया था कि जपियां वपियां हैं.
हाँ है. But you know what? I have a feeling. Maula Jat will let go of Fawad and me.
Excellent.
Yeah. But I think what I have a feeling, and maybe I'm wrong, but I think with Neelofer, it's all gonna be the